There are some misconceptions around lithium where online you might get the wrong advice, where people would say, you don't need to charge your lithium battery. Now, while it's sitting here, not connected to your vehicle, you don't need to charge this battery maybe for a year, up to 18 months. Okay, it has a very low self-discharge. But once it's in the vehicle, it's going to slowly drain because the vehicle drains the battery. And the one tip that you have to adhere to is do not let this battery discharge below 30%, which in voltage equivalent is exactly 13 volts. Once you start dropping below that voltage, the battery is below 30% and it will not deliver the cranking amps that you expect. Now, once it drops below 12 volts, 11 volts, 10 volts, you are in danger of damaging your battery. Now, big difference between lithium and lead acid batteries. If you want to keep this guy healthy, you need to maintain it 24/7, every single day. This battery only needs to be maintained maybe once a week or so. But no one wants to go into their garage and every once a week set an alarm and connect the battery up. That's why we have smart chargers that Honda recommend. This is actually a Honda branded charger that is sold by American Honda. This is our TM470 series 0.8 amp lithium charger. This is our 6 amp lithium charger. It's the new one that Honda recommends. It's our TM390 series. Now, if you look in your manual, you'll see some part numbers like TM290, which is the predecessor of this charger. This replaces the TM290. It's the TM390. It's a 6 amp charger. Good thing about lithium batteries, they can be charged pretty fast. They don't mind being charged fast. So within an hour or two, you can be ready to go. And you don't need to charge it to 100% before you go riding. Just have enough charge, between 30 or 50%, start the engine and off you go. Now, when you leave these chargers on the battery, it monitors this battery in the bike, and if it drops below about 70%, then it will maintain the battery and bring it back up to around 90. And that'll continue maybe once a week or so, it's going to do that. So it's not delivering charge every day, only when the battery needs it. And that's the difference between lithium and lead acid. This guy is going to get charged on an hourly basis. This guy is going to get charged maybe once a week.